Yes, she has a cat and a dog.
Are they playing the piano?
They're practicing for a recital.
Have you done your homework?
I finished it yesterday.
How long have you been teaching?
I've been teaching for over a decade.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I love them, especially in salads.
Are you writing a letter?
I'm drafting an email right now.
Have you cleaned the room?
I'm about to start cleaning it.
How long have they been running?
They've been running since the sun came up.
Does he like music?
He enjoys playing the guitar.
Are they sleeping?
They're taking a short nap.
Have you bought a new car?
Yes, I just got it last week.